In this video, I'm going to show you how to find and delete all viruses on iPhone. This video is only for educational purposes only. Please make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the very end so as you not miss out on any information I'll be sharing in this video. This video is only for educational purposes only. The first thing you need to do, you need to go to your app settings, scroll down, tap on apps, come on here, tap on Safari. So this is going to come out. So you have seen lots of videos, they won't actually show you what you need to do. You get? So what you need to do now, scroll down, you're going to be able to see the advanced. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you're going to be able to see website data. So tap on it. So right here, you're going to be able to see all this website data. You get? So let me say if you go to a website and you mistakenly get in touch with a virus that would enter your phone, you can come on here and remove all this website data. So tap on remove now to clear all of them. Once you're done with these settings, what you need to do now, you're going to be able to see block all cookies. So make sure you have blocked all the cookies, because some cookies from each site, they may contain viruses. So make sure you turn it on. So make sure you turn it on from your own end. Block all of them. You get? So this is what you need to do. Now you need to go back. Once you're done, scroll up. You're going to be able to see clear history and website data. So tap on it. Once you have tapped on it, tap on all history. Tap on close all tabs. Tap on clear history. You're going to be able to clear all the tabs on your iPhone. That is all the history tabs. So this is going to work out well and help you as well. Once you're done with this, you're going to be able to see this fraudulent website warning. Lots of people, they won't actually tell you this. You get? So tap on it, turn this fraudulent website warning, turn it on. Make sure it's currently turned on. And this is your hide IP address. I think you should come on here and turn this off. So your IP address shouldn't be shared or shouldn't be shown to everybody. So you can see from trackers. So come on here and turn it off. You get? So once you're done with this, I'm going to show you what you need to do now. So make sure you keep watching. So once you're done here, go on to general. You need to come on here from this transfer or reset iPhone. You can erase all content and settings if you feel that the virus has entered your iPhone completely. You can be able to come on here and erase all content or reset it. That's another option. So I'm going to show you what you need to do as well. So you need to come on here to your iCloud. Yeah, so go to iCloud. So you're going to be able to see iCloud. So tap on it. So you're going to be able to see your storage info. You get? So you need to come on here. Okay, I'm going to go back. Okay, you need to go to your storage. Yeah, you need to go to your storage and clear all the unnecessary information. That's, or let me say your apps or document, any of them, you need to clear it. You're going to be able to see this advanced data protection. So you need to turn it on. So make sure you turn yours on. This is it down here. Turn it on to be able to protect you from any viruses or any problems. Then another option is you need to come on here from this option, type on files. You're going to be able to see, okay, come on files, type on browse. You're going to be able to see on my iPhone. Tap on it. You need to come on here, go to each file folder and select different files that you are sure that you not download by yourself, or you can just go to your downloads. You can be able to find all of them here. You can come on here and clear all of them. You get? So this is what I feel would really help you. So you can also delete some apps that you did not install by yourself. So let me say you can just delete all of this. Tap on remove app. You're going to be able to see the delete app option. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure you like, share this video. I'm going to see you on the very next video. Thank you.